In this video, we will be demonstrating how to properly set up and use the CCELL SnapFit cartridge system. This system features a new closure mechanism designed to reduce the required force for capping by up to 70% compared to the original press-fit version, allowing you to easily cap up to 50 cartridges at a time with the use of a manual press. CCELL has worked closely with several filling machine manufacturers to ensure compatibility. If you have any questions about the compatibility with your filling system, please reach out to your CCELL sales representative for more information. The CCELL SnapFit cartridge system is available in both glass and plastic oil reservoirs with either half-gram or full-gram fill capacities. All CCELL hardware can be customized to showcase your brand and make your product stand out in the market. Reach out to learn more about customization and branding options. The CCELL SnapFit cartridge system features an optional 50-count foam tray packout to ensure cartridges are filled and capped quickly. Be sure to indicate that you would like your hardware packaged in this configuration when you place your order. Before you get started, make sure your arbor press is set up properly for the hardware configuration you will be using. Adjust the height of the press head to the recommended level for your configuration, taking care to ensure that the press head is level before you fill your cartridges. Take out one 50-count tray and load it onto the bottom plate of the SnapFit jig system. Press down lightly on the cartridges to ensure they are properly aligned with the bottom plate. Next, place the positioning plate over the cartridges and press down until the plate is resting on top of the cartridge. The top side of the positioning plate is clearly labeled. If you are filling by hand or with certain semi-automatic filling machines, the positioning plate may not be necessary. In general, filled hardware should be capped within 3 minutes to avoid issues with leakage, but thinner extracts may need to be capped faster. Make sure you have everything set up and ready to go before you start filling. Fill your hardware with your extract. Be sure not to exceed the maximum fill capacity of the hardware. Once the cartridges have been filled, remove the positioning plate. Place the spacer tray over the cartridges. Make sure that the spacer tray matches the hardware configuration that you're using. Each spacer tray is labeled with the hardware configuration and correct orientation. Place the preloaded mouthpiece tray on top of the capping jig and press down gently, taking care to ensure that the mouthpieces are properly aligned before pressing. Align the top plate with the capping jig. The capping jig is contoured to conform to the shape of the mouthpiece and the cartridge, distributing the capping force evenly. This means that capping can be done with the silicone parts in place without damaging them. And place the assembly on the arbor press, using the positioning bars for guidance. Once the assembly is in position, pull down on the lever of the arbor press until the plate is fully seated. After capping, inspect the cartridges to ensure all the mouthpieces are fully seated. If some of the cartridges did not cap properly, you may need to adjust the press height, ensure the press head is level, or use more force during capping. For more information about how the CCELL SnapFit capping system can improve efficiency in your operations, and why CCELL is the #1 most trusted name in vaporizer hardware, reach out to your sales representative and set up a call with our customer solutions team.